It's okay, Boris. He will come back.
Ugh, it's snowing outside, which it means that it's getting cold. Maybe I should go downstairs and have a normal day as always. Let me check the weather app on my phone. Oh no. We are going to have a snowstorm today. This is bad. Well, I don't know what to do. I guess during a snowstorm I'll just stay warm on my own bed. So yeah, wait, I have an idea. I am going to tell Rosie to outside, then she is going to freeze to death outside. Ha 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 ha. Washington. Rosie. Hey Rosie. Come outside. I have a surprise for you.
Okay, I will go outside.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Where is my surprise? It is getting so cold. Can you just fix me out?
Oh yes. Rosie is freezing to death outside because of that now filling up so quickly. Oh fuck. I left the door open. Oh no.
Damn. It's really snowing massive outside. What is going on? I'm going outside and tell Rosie and Caillou about the... Holy no, it's so cold. Would you like to explain why the door is left open?
I'm not even going to lie. Yes, it was me. I left the door open because I wanted to get some fresh air.
Caillou, how dare you left the door? Hold on. Why am I grounding you? There's no damage in our house. And ice is just water that we can just easily clean up. And nobody got hurt at all. How about we go outside?
Yay, snow time.
You are so grounded for 7474747474747474747474747474747. Go to your room right now. I can't believe you throw Rosie out of our house. Thanks to she freeze to death.
Washington.